In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to your Payhip store, and we'll do it all in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned small business owner or just beginning your journey into e-commerce, setting up your product listing correctly can make a big difference in how your store performs. Today, we'll be going through this process step by step. So, grab a cup of coffee, relax, and let's get started. First, you need to log into your Payhip account. If you're not familiar with Payhip, it's a platform that helps businesses sell digital and physical products, subscriptions, and services online. After logging in successfully, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, which presents a user-friendly interface, making it easy to navigate. Now direct your attention to the top menu. Here you'll see several options, but today our focus is on products. Go ahead and click on products. Now this section is vital because it houses all the items you're selling, and it's where the magic happens to introduce new offerings to your customers. Once you're in the products menu, look for the button labeled Add Product. This is typically a prominent button, maybe in a nice bright color, to grab your attention. Click on it and it'll bring you to a new page where you can start adding the details of your new product. At this stage, you'll encounter several options and you need to choose the type of product you are listing. Payhip allows you to select from digital product, physical product, subscription, or service. Depending on what you're selling, pick the option that best fits. For instance, if you're selling an ebook or software, you'd select digital product. For tangible items, go for physical product, and so on. Now comes the part where you add the specifics of your product. If you're uploading a digital item, this is where you'd upload your file. But for all types, be sure to enter a compelling title that encapsulates what your product is and why customers need it. Set the price by considering costs, competition, and customer expectations. Write an engaging description that highlights the key features and benefits. And lastly, don't skip adding an enticing image. It's often the first thing potential buyers notice. A good quality image could make or break a sale at times. With all that information in, take a moment to review everything. Once you're satisfied and ready to unveil your product to the world, it's time to hit the Add Product button. Clicking this button will publish your product and make it live for everyone to see. And there you go. You've successfully added a product to your Payhip store. Each of these steps is vital to ensure your product is presented in the best light. Don't forget to share your new product with your audience to drive interest and sales. Thanks for watching and good luck with your store.